how to download your project files for each section. In almost every section, you will have some resources that you should download. The resources contain a zip file that you have to unzip. The unzipped folder will have the After Effects project files and sometimes some footage, some images, videos, vector files, anything that you need to create your composition and your motion graphics. The project files will help you to follow along and also see the final work we have done together. To download your resources, you have the option to click on the link within the download lecture or click on the resources available. If you click on the resources available, it will highlight the lecture and show you the download link. Let's say you click on the link below within the lecture. It will open your file manager and prompt you to choose a location to download. Please create a single folder to download all the resources. They are all folders and very well organized. After you unzip the folder, it will look something like this. You will have the footage folder, the video and images required, and the folder for the backward compatibility project files, which you should open if you're not using After Effects CC 2018. It should work most of the time. And the CC 2018 files, which I encourage you to use along with After Effects CC 2018. Let's move on to the next lecture and download your first resources to start animating in After Effects.